I have here in front of me today is our RG4 insulated model. On my left is our rough box, and on my right is our finished box. Inside the rough box, you're going to find the sleeve, the provided insulation, and our metal reinforcing bracket. This is your 4-inch metal reinforcing bracket to reinforce the galvanized pipe coming through the roof. This is our 4-inch insulated sleeve. So there's 2 bushings, one at the top and one here at the base. Inside the sleeve, you're going to find a 4-inch hose clamp to connect your bushing to the sleeve, and the provided insulation, which is an R4.7. At the bottom of our sleeve, you'll find a pre-lace hose clamp to ease the assembly and expedite install. Now what you're going to find in the finished box is your roof termination, the counter flashing, and a bug cap. Here's your counter flashing, and an additional copy of the instructions. And the included roof termination, with a cap already installed from the factory. We break everything up into 2 different boxes to tailor new construction. The rough box is meant to be installed first, and the finished box is intended to be installed at a later date, or they can be installed at the same time if your construction process permits it. Thanks for checking out our unboxing of the Goose Vent RG4-IE Insulated. Look forward to more videos here on our YouTube channel about product install and good venting design. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, roofgoosevent.com, where we answer many frequently asked questions, or contact us directly at sales@roofgoosevent.com.